I'm here to give you an update today on SLP to see what price action we got coming through here. As you can see, guys, humongous downtrend coming through literally for the whole of the summer here. Really quite bad summer in England, right? You can see from there we've actually hit a low here. We hit a nice low, and we've actually been basically caught up inside of this range, inside of this parallel sort of scenario coming through for quite a while. We were looking for a nice breakout of around 38% there, looking really quite good. We did actually see this actually happen over the last day or so. Really quite progressive, really quite parabolic. Mount Everest was climbed and take profits were reached there, 38% there. So well done to anyone who did get involved with that SLP breakout scenario coming through there. Really, really good stuff. I just want to jump down to a smaller term time frame to give you guys a more detailed update on what's actually happening right now. Because obviously we do have this high set from this trend. Now, from that point, we're probably going to be drawing some sort of either some sort of I would say descending triangle pattern coming through there, or it's going to be some sort of bull flag coming through there. So yeah, we'll just have to see how that does plan out, depending on where the next probably 4 to 8 hours is going to basically decide what sort of chart pattern this is. If we are going to see some sort of bull flag here, we're potentially looking at continuation to the upside. But as I was saying there, guys, on the daily chart. On the daily chart there, we have actually fallen below this this pretty crucial horizontal there. So we really do want to get back above that for another sort of breakout scenario to the upside. And if that is going to happen, guys, we can literally do exactly what we just did a minute ago in terms of that measure move. There is going to potentially be another trade there. I don't think it's going to be as quick as what we did see coming through yesterday, but hey, it's still going to be 38% that you could really just be profiting from. And we've seen the momentum is there for SLP. It's obviously got a lot of coverage across the board here. In terms of marketing, free marketing, from being one of the only altcoins that's really sort of banging it here, quite an established altcoin as well. So yeah, we could be looking at another breakout scenario coming through. That's what I was trying to say about that. Now, jumping through to the 4 hour, as we were just saying there, potential bull flag, which basically means continuation to the upside, guys. We're going to be doing a bull flag measure move here. It is actually going to be really quite progressive, something probably along the lines of this, guys, from the breakout scenario coming through there. I think these are a bit greedy in my opinion, but it's definitely something to be taken into consideration for the future there. If this bull flag is going to come into fruition, jumping through to it's probably to the 1 hour actually, just because yeah, it's looking pretty bull flaggy. But what I would say here, guys, we are actually trending down. The key points to be watching here is going to actually be this this high low that we have set. The high low that we have set from this low point here is from this, obviously this uptrend is going to be here, guys. If we do lose this zone, then it's likely that we are going to actually come down to the lower side of this this bull flag chart pattern, and that's basically going to be an accumulation zone, guys, because it is still a continuation zone, a continuation chart pattern to the upside. But what I would say, it is still going to be a big level of support here, and probably a very nice accumulation zone across the board. Really, you can see the level of resistance that we've actually formed from this zone before. So hopefully we can actually get there and bounce from it and find that level of support. So yeah, it's definitely a couple of things to be thinking about there for SLP. But what I want to say is just keep calm, stay relaxed. Obviously, huge pumps from yesterday. We're probably just going to see a lot of the FOMO guys probably just selling off here. We're probably just going to see them selling off, and the market basically just chilling out for a bit. And that's basically what we're seeing here, because you can't climb Everest without a bit of base camp 1 or consolidation chilling out zone. Otherwise, you're going to climb Everest, then you're going to see parabolic motions to the downside, and we don't want that, guys. That's base camp. That's base camp. No, that's Grand Canyon jumps. Grand Canyon base jumps coming through there. We're not about that life. We're about these Mount Everest sort of climbs there. So yeah, definitely something to be looking out for here. Correlative points to be looking out for is going to be that, and that's going to be your update today here on SLP.